Hey kids, it's Muddy Paw. I want to tell you about this VetEye antibiotic eye ointment for your dog. It's also for cats, cattle, and horses and sheep. So it works well. I've used this before, and I just never did a review on it. But this stuff works well. It's a tiny, tiny little tube. It's 3.5 grams, I think. And you don't need much because it's a clear ointment that has, well, see, there it is. I don't want to squeeze it out because I don't want to waste it. But it helps treat things like conjunctivitis and keratitis and pink eye and corneal ulcers and bacterial infections and blepharitis and things like that. So if you have an animal that has an issue like that, this will help to heal that owie, that wound, that eye infection. If the eye infection or the eye issue is, it treats gram-positive and gram-negative infections with two different types. Well, here it says right here, it's oxytetracycline HCI and polymyxin B sulfate. And see, it's 1/8 of an ounce, 3.5 grams. So it works well, like I said, and I've used it before. So if you need a nice antibiotic ointment, this works well. And according to my dog, it doesn't sting. It just is gooey, so it makes the eyes a little blurry for a bit. But this works well, and if you need an antibiotic ointment, I would recommend this.
Cause I do.